on my shoulders. Look at this. I have a lot of new Hotwheels because I want to show you. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Don't open it. Look. We have Matchbox over here. Look.
Wow.
We got this Matchbox. Oh, it's fun. Come on. Look at this white one.
Yeah.
This has some balls on this box, but that's why it's white. Oh wait, like that purple one. They have big package. There's one more left. Done. Look. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Good job. All right, shall we start?
Yeah.
All right, so we have a Matchbox patrol car.
Give me.
This is a Dodge Charger
Yeah, Dodge
patrol
Charger.
car.
Yeah, like we go to Playtime, there was a lot of big trolls. And one troll with the car.
Okay.
There's a head on the wall.
Okay.
Police truck.
Oh, that's cute. What color is that?
White.
Awesome.
And then another one.
All right, what's next?
Let's see. Bird.
Say it again.
Thunderbird.
Thunderbird, yeah.
It's thunder.
Like thunder in the sky?
Yeah, like it was raining.
Like when it's raining?
Yeah.
Okay. 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird.
So
Black
cool.
and gold.
Black
pretty cool.
and gold.
Yes, the tires are gold. Go for it.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at this.
All right, what's next?
This one.
Pretty color.
Pretty color. My favorite and your favorite.
It's called Twinduction, whatever that means.
Yeah, what on that? Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Next one. It's kind of
It's Rivian RIT.
like living on that road.
Oh, yes. That's okay. Yeah, that's an electric truck.
And now, another one is the first. Whoa,
That is
my
cool.
favorite.
It's your favorite? It's 1974 Ranchero.
Ooh.
Beautiful green color. Look at that.
Wow. Package.
Oh, that one is interesting. Let's see.
Twice white, like the purple one.
It looks so cool. All white.
All white.
Hot Wheels Braille Racer Twin Mill. I don't think it's a real car, but
Yeah, it's a real.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
Like that purple one.
This is gray?
Yeah.
This is a pretty good looking car.
This is a truck.
Filling up.
We have a little bit left.
We have 4 left, yes.
Big package.
Off-grid delivery. Look at this. It's a Baja Hauler.
Baja Hauler. Yeah, this is a big package. Big package.
Mm-hmm.
Delivery.
Oh, look at this. It's a big car.
Yeah, so heavy.
It is heavy. Look, you can put stuff inside. You can put some sand inside. It's a big car. I think it's a regular size package. Alright, this is another truck, heavy rescue service. Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. It's an interesting looking car.
Yeah,
Like a big tow truck.
yeah.
2 more left. Both of them are pretty cool. Is that
Yeah,
a toaster machine?
Yeah,
It's not a cupcake car. It's a toaster car.
on the back there's a cupcake.
It's
car.
called roller toaster. There you go.
Yeah, like a roller coaster.
Oh, that's so cool. How cute. It says peanut butter and jelly. And it actually goes in and out, the toast. Those little toast.
Peanut butter and jelly. I like jelly.
Who doesn't?
It's my favorite food to eat.
This is a Mclaren 720 Spider.
Where?
That is a beautiful color. Neon green, neon yellow. I wonder. No, this is a neon yellow, I think. Yes.
I see it. I see this. Look. Mix the garbage.
There you go. Let's see which one's gonna go the furthest.
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.